Hi friends, today I'm going to show you even more Erin Condren Dashboard Layout sample ideas. Let's get started. Welcome back to my channel. Today is actually launch day for EC Insiders when this video goes up, so happy shopping today. I will leave my affiliate links down below. Thank you so much in advance for using my links to shop. And if you're not an EC Insider, you can sign up with my link and get $10 off your first order. So I'm so excited. Please let me know what you get. Well, I just wanted to start off to say that I was so pleasantly surprised when I uploaded last Friday's video that I've gotten so many comments from all of you on all these ideas on how you're going to use this new dashboard layout. And I thought it was so inspiring that you guys inspired me, actually, that I came up with 3 more spreads for you to take a look. So I'm using my July 2026 area and came up with more spreads. Okay, so someone asked me about the sticker fans and if the stickers from this rainbow sticker fan fits in the monthly page. And it does. It just doesn't fit exactly like the sticker book stickers. There's just like a sliver, a millimeter on each side or something. But the good news is these sticker fans, I don't know about the new hexagon and bouquet ones, but these sticker fans actually fit perfectly in your vertical and hourly. So it goes like, it fits the dimensions here. So this looks really nice. I use purple. This is my next week coming up. So I wanted to show you how that looked. It fits edge to edge. So it's really nice. So I will get the new sticker book, the new washi sticker fans, and we can check those out after launch. I'm going to skip to, this is my first idea, and this is for someone who wants to use the dashboard layout just for work. No stickers, just pen and highlighter. I actually used the dual tip marker and then the beige pastel highlighter. This one's in the color sand, really nice. So I just highlighted key meetings, and then she had a presentation on Thursday, and she debriefed like some notes here. So really using the notes section for work based on a meeting, having her priorities here, and then having the habits be more aligned to work with, having the inbox to 0, no emails after 8 p.m., drinking water, tidying her desk, reading up on professional journals, and stretching at her desk. So I came up with like a bunch of ideas here, and then putting her wins for work here, and then making her to-do list here, and then also kind of making a list for next week so she can prepare stuff for next week on here too. So that's just an idea if you wanted to use this for work. Okay, so similarly, I had to jump around here. I did, if you wanted to do work life, EC has that work life A5 journal. So you can't really add a lot in there, but I split the pages, the boxes for each day in half so that the left side was work and the right side was home. And so she can basically, if she doesn't have too much stuff for work to put in here, it's here with the, key meetings, key like top 2 to 3 tasks on here. And then key things for home is here too. Same goes, and then this one, I actually kind of messed up because I did the line down here and I was like, oh wait, that's not even a date. So I thought, you know what? How about for her, she gets a little self-care sticker to check on her self-care because she's such a busy working mom. So, and these kind of like are ideas for her to remind herself about. On the right side, I have her priorities. She has one big priority for work. She has a big client presentation on Thursday. And then at home, she needs to create a calmer evening routine because her boys are a little bit, going rowdy at night. So she's, declared no screens after 6 p.m. Okay, and then she has her own little like habits she wants: movement, skincare, read for 15 minutes, no phone in bed, take vitamins, meditation. And then these are just work to-dos, and then these are home to-dos. So really separating it out. I really like that the to-do list is not just one big long column. So you're able to separate it out and create your own columns of what you want. And then down here is the meal plan for the week. So, she's got pizza night Friday here, and she notes it here too because nothing was really going on that day. And so she has her whole meal plan set up. And I just like these little circles so much. They're so fun to write on and just like with the marker and kind of call out certain things. So I use the thicker side of this dual tip marker. And I think you can see it really, really good on the camera too. So yeah, these are like sort of the key writing tools here, and it's just so bold and very dark and black, which I really like when you write in here. And then guess what? No bleed on the other side with the highlighter and everything. So that's why I love the Erin Condren paper. So this is just a good example of what you can do for work and home. Yes, you're squeezing things in. There may not be room for many things, but if you don't have that many work tasks to manage, it may be okay. And it keeps everything simple so you don't have multiple planners. That's why I think this is very, very handy for home. This, you don't even have to do this layout every week. You can change it depending on how busy it is. If work is busier, maybe the home stuff is just put to here, and then you have this whole thing for work and you put your home stuff here, and you can do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday stuff for your kids on the side. So it doesn't matter. You don't have to go with a layout every week. You can change it as you want to go week to week. I think that's the beauty of planning. Okay, so I want to go back a week here. So someone mentioned in my comments on the other video that they wanted to do this for wellness. And I thought, oh, that was really inspiring that you can turn this into like a wellness planner for yourself. It's so easy and it's so open. So I put here the idea that, okay, her priority is to try one new form of movement, and she wants to establish a consistent morning routine, which is actually, I kind of want to do this. So, and then for her habits, no sugar, clean eating, clothing her rings, sleep for at least 7 hours, meditation for 5 minutes, movement, and journaling. So that's kind of her habits. Like, she really feels like this will help her center herself. And then I did the thing again where I did the, this is like stuff to do, like food prep for the week, declutter closet, all this stuff. And then this is more kind of like health related goals, trying the new Pilates studio in town, do the meditation on Apple Fitness app, check out the new health food store, find new workouts on Apple Fitness, and then update her wellness goals. So this is kind of like her health goals thing too on this side here. So each day, we'll go down the bottom here. Each day I've kind of separated out with like key things she's done in terms of movement or anything she wanted to add in here. So 20 minutes on the treadmill, doing weights. And then every day I put down a win for her, like, what she wanted to do. I think one of the days was like a slower day. This is a slower day. Like her steps are up here. Her steps were lower, but her wins today was she listened to what her body needed and she slowed down. So she, took a break that day. So like going through the thing, not every day is like, crazy workouts, but like everything is kind of, relaxed. Like Saturday, she relaxed. She did 30 minutes of Pilates, and then she tried a new recipe for dinner. And then she had a long phone call with her friend Tracy. So her win today was I made space for creativity and connection. So I thought this was kind of fun because I really like this style, actually. I thought, wow, my God, I would do this for like a wellness thing. This would be really fun to track for the week. And then Sunday, she took an hour-long hike with a friend. She stretched before bed. So her steps went up there. And then I thought this was fun here. I put a recipe for a smoothie that maybe she liked this smoothie recipe and she can put this here so she can always reference the smoothie that she tried this week. So yeah, that's kind of an idea. Like maybe it's like another day, it's a facial technique, like a facial massage technique with the gua sha. I don't know, like maybe it's another day, it's a journal entry here for the whole week instead of just right here to reflect on stuff. Maybe this whole thing's a journal entry. So there's so much to do with this dashboard layout. That's what I'm talking about. Like I can't get over how amazing this layout is. Okay, and just to flip back, you can check out the other videos. This one I had as an idea for someone who doesn't know what to do to plan, and I did different things for the boxes here. And then this is for a mom with 2 kids managing like her home life mostly, and then just a little bit of work. So those are in the other video, and I'll put that in the cards and link that down below. But that's something to check out. But I basically filled up the entire month of July with different ideas here. And this was really, really fun. So if you like these kinds of ideas and these kinds of videos, just let me know. I mean, I think I might do this for other planners, like the vertical, because I'm using the vertical right now. I've been using the vertical since the beginning of Erin Condren, but I'm back to vertical. I've used hourly. The only one I haven't really used very much is horizontal, but I'm really into vertical again. Hourly is great for time blocking too. So anyway, if you have any other ideas that you want me to help you creatively figure out, I would love to do that for you. And we can explore it all together. Thank you so much for joining me in this video about the dashboard layout. I love making these sample screens for you. It's been so fun. So this is the part 2 of it. I will link part 1 down below. And happy shopping for the Erin Condren LifePlanner launch. Please feel free to use my affiliate link. I've linked it down below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it shows Erin Condren you like my content and that you are supporting me in my small creative journey on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. I'd love to have you be a part of my YouTube family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.